Welcome to WeCure. WeCure is a patient-doctor app which eases the problem of scheduling and confirming the appointments for the doctors as well as people in this difficult era of pandemic situation. In this video, I will show you how you can use the app and how it works. So, let's begin. On installing and opening the app, you will be directed to the category screen. From here, you can select your role as a patient or as a doctor. If you are a patient, then click on the patient and you will be directed to the login screen. You can log in into your account by giving your correct credentials. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. Enter your email over here and click on the Send Verification link. From here, you can reset your email. Go back to the login. In case you are a new user, then click on Sign Up. You will be directed to the Sign Up page. You can create your account by giving up the details. Enter your name, your phone number, an email, and don't forget to give a strong password. Your password must contain one upper letter, a special character, and some numbers. Now click on the Sign Up button and you will be directed to the home screen. Hey, you have successfully created your account. Welcome to the home screen. Here, you will be able to see the availability and details of the doctor under the doctor title. On clicking on the book button, you will be able to see the doctor's introduction and qualification. To check the reviews, click on Reviews button. Here you can see the reviews of the doctor. To book an appointment, click on the floating button. Now let us book an appointment. Give your name, give your phone number, and you can select the date of your particular choice. Then mention your problem. Let us mention the problem as a headache. Submit the button and the appointment will be booked successfully. If the doctor confirms your appointment, the pending in the appointment status will turn into confirmed. In the History tab, you can see the past doctors that you have consulted. At the bottom, or by clicking on the profile picture, you will be able to update your profile. Let us change the name to Vipul Patel and give our blood group. Now the profile has been updated successfully. Now go back to the home screen. At the top, you can see a settings button. The settings button gives you three features: to share, log out, and contact us. On contact us, you can contact with the team for any of the updates or the feedbacks. If you are a doctor, then open the app and select the category as a doctor in the category screen. Now you will be redirected to the login screen. You can log in into your account by giving your credentials, your email, and your password. If you are a new user, then click on Sign Up. And in case you don't remember your password, then click on Forgot Password. By clicking on the Login button, you will be redirected to the doctor home screen. On the home screen, under the new request, you can see the details of the patient like their name and the date on which they have requested for the appointment. By clicking on the View button, you can see the appointment details of the patient. If you want to confirm them, then click on the Confirm Appointment button. Now go back to the home screen. On the History tab, you can see your past patients which they have consulted for you, and you can see appointment details of them also. Now, at the bottom, there is a profile icon from where you can update your profile. So let's update the name as Rishita and give the blood group as A+. So, by submitting the button, your profile has been updated. At the top or at the setting buttons, you can see the same features as patient: share, log out, and contact us. Contact us will lead to the team contact. So I hope you liked the tour of the app.